MultiLisp was a functional programming language and dialect of Scheme, extended with constructs for parallel execution and shared memory. These extensions involve side effects, rendering MultiLisp non-deterministic. In addition to its parallel programming extensions, MultiLisp also had some unusual garbage collection and task scheduling algorithms. Like Scheme, MultiLisp was oriented toward symbolic computation. Unlike some parallel programming languages, MultiLisp incorporated constructs for causing side effects and for explicitly introducing parallelism. It was designed by Robert H. Halstead in the early 1980s for use on the 32-processor Concert multiprocessor being developed at MIT and implemented in Interlisp. It has influenced the development of the Scheme dialect Gambit 1 and Interlisp-VAX, PCALL in future. MultiLisp achieves parallelism with the PCALL macro, where PCALL fun ABC is equivalent to fun ABC, except that the arguments A, B, C, etc. are explicitly allowed to be evaluated in parallel. This circumvents the usual order of evaluation, which is sequential and left to right. It also makes use of a parallel programming construct called futures, which resembles forking, combined with lazy evaluation. Using this construct, an expression such as cons, future A, future B, can be written, which will overlap the evaluation of the expressions A and B, not only with each other, but with computations that use the result of the cons call until an operation is performed that requires actual information about the value of A or B. See also speculative evaluation. References: R. H. Halstead, MultiLisp, a language for concurrent symbolic computation, Topless, October 1985. Kuman, J.A.G.M., The Interlisp Virtual Machine, a study of its design and its implementation as MultiLisp, Master's Thesis, University of British Columbia, 1980. Raymond L. Bates, David Dyer, Johannes A.G.M. Kuman Implementation of Interlisp on the VAX pp 81-87 in ACM Proceedings of the 1982 ACM Conference on Lisp and Functional Programming, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, United States. Halstead, R.H.J.R. The MultiLisp Language, Lisp for a Multiprocessor. Conf. On 5th Generation Computers, Tokyo, 1984. Halstead, Robert H. Jr., MultiLisp, a language for concurrent symbolic computation in Topless 7, 4, October 1985. W. S. Martin's Parallel Implementations of Functional Languages in Proceedings of the 4th int. Workshop on the Parallel Implementation of Functional Languages, 92. Skillicorn, David B. Intalia, Domenico Models and Languages for Parallel Computation pp 123-169 in ACM Computing Surveys 30, 2, June 1998.